Are you struggling with hair thinning or breakage? Looking for a natural remedy that actually works? Pumpkin seed oil might be the missing piece in your hair care routine. In this video, we'll uncover the benefits of pumpkin seed oil, how to use it effectively, and the kind of results you can expect for thicker, healthier hair. Pumpkin seed oil is extracted from the seeds of pumpkins, typically through cold pressing. It's rich in nutrients like zinc, vitamin E, omega-3 and 6 fatty acids, and phytosterols. These nutrients are essential for maintaining a healthy scalp and promoting strong hair follicles. What sets pumpkin seed oil apart is its DHT blocking ability. DHT is a hormone linked to hair loss, especially in men and postmenopausal women. Studies have shown that the phytosterols in pumpkin seed oil may help reduce hair loss by inhibiting DHT production. Here are the top benefits of using pumpkin seed oil for hair. Promotes thicker hair growth. It nourishes the scalp and strengthens the hair shaft from root to tip. Reduces hair shedding. Thanks to its natural DHT blocking properties. Pumpkin seed oil is rich in phytosterols, plant-based compounds that naturally block DHT, a hormone linked to hair thinning and male-female pattern baldness. By reducing DHT levels in the scalp, pumpkin seed oil may help preserve hair follicles and prevent hair loss at the root cause. Moisturizes and adds shine. The fatty acids improve elasticity and reduce breakage. The oil contains omega-6 fatty acids and zinc, which are essential for maintaining strong, resilient hair follicles. Zinc plays a major role in tissue growth and repair, so regular use of pumpkin seed oil may help reduce hair shedding and strengthen the scalp barrier, making it less prone to damage. Supports scalp health. Its anti-inflammatory properties calm irritation, itching, and flaking. Pumpkin seed oil contains powerful antioxidants such as selenium, vitamin E, and carotenoids, which help protect the scalp from oxidative stress, environmental damage, and premature aging. A healthy scalp is the foundation for strong and lasting hair growth. Here's how to use it for best results. Option 1. Scalp massage. Warm 1 to 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seed oil. Apply directly to your scalp. Massage in circular motions for 5 to 10 minutes. Leave it in for at least 30 minutes or overnight before washing. Option 2. Add to conditioner. Mix a few drops into your favorite deep conditioner. Apply after shampooing and leave in for 10 to 15 minutes. Option 3. Take it orally. Some prefer to take pumpkin seed oil capsules. Consult your doctor first. Studies used 400 milligrams daily to support hair growth from the inside out. Consistency is key. Most users report noticeable changes in 8 to 12 weeks. Expect less shedding, fuller roots, and improved hair texture. Taking progress pictures monthly can help track your growth journey. When buying pumpkin seed oil, look for cold-pressed and unrefined oil, organic, with no added fragrances or chemicals, stored in dark glass bottles to preserve freshness. Avoid heavily processed oils, as they may lose their nutrient content during refining. If you're ready to transform your hair naturally, pumpkin seed oil might be your secret weapon. Let me know in the comments if you've tried it or plan to start. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more natural hair growth tips.